Okay, so we can do a distance check here. See how far this thing's going to go before she cuts out. Alright, so I've got a lot of beach to play with. I'm just going to fly it until it stops. And then I'm going to return to home. Alrighty, take off. I'm going to go on V for very fast. Come on, Bluetooth, do your thing. Might be a bit windy here for it. Oh no, she's hooked in there. Every now and then I can't Bluetooth it, so okay. Having some Bluetooth issues here. Okay, locked in now. Let's see if the recorder goes now. For some reason I'm having trouble Bluetooth controlling it forward. It's going up and down, but it's not doing anything left or right, so it's a bit of a pain. It's going to have to land, I think. Oh, that's just crazy. It's going all over the shop. So I'm going to ditch the game cert and I'm going to use the on-screen. Alright, we have some on-screens here. Still connected? Alright, let's see if the on-screen keyboard, on-screen joystick does things a little bit differently. Okay, well, at least we're going forward. Okay, distance check. Again, it's sitting on 120 meters, which is rubbish. Just it's right next to me. No, I think we'll just finish off with a little bit of a free flight. I'm having a few controls. And let's take off. There's a little bit of wind here, so I'm not too sure how we're going to go. I'm not going to fly too far away and do anything too crazy. See, it's struggling already with this Bluetooth remote going into the wind. Yeah, it doesn't like it too much. Let's just go for an aerial shot here. It's telling me, yeah, we've got some issues, which I already know about. Still stays pretty steady, even though it's windy. Okay, let's just head out here a bit, shall we? I'll be interested to see if it actually records. I have been using the Tello FPV app, and I've noticed as of late there's trouble recording to my mobile device, which I think it could actually be my phone. My phone's a bit sketchy. Whoa, 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 why is it landing? Oh, don't go landing over there. I think I've got it set on fast at the moment, so I might just take it down to slow and try and get some nicer footage. Let's head down the ocean, shall we? I'll try and keep it steady. It's particularly nice if you're interested in seaweed, because there's a lot of it here. A damn lot of seaweed. Okay, We're a long way off now. About 1 metre a second. It's going a fair way down. And it's telling me it's quite bright out here, so I'm not too sure what it's telling me, but I might just turn around and just get a bit of altitude. And I might spin her around and bring her on home. Let's go up to about, oh, I don't know, 20 metres. What are we on there? 14, 15, that'll do. Goes to 30, but as we all know, the higher up you go, the more chance something's going to go wrong. Okay. And a bit of wind to cope with, and let's see if we can cruise along the ocean front here, the foreshore. Yeah, I can't really see myself, I'm down there somewhere. As I said, I'm flying with the Mi Wi-Fi extender here. It's still showing me counting, so hopefully this is actually recording footage from the Tello. I'm hoping. I'm just putting a tiny bit of pressure on the stick here, so I get some nice steady shots. Normally my shots are all jittery and crazy. Okay, let's bring it down again. And I think we'll put it about there. Oh, there's a bit of water coming in. Oh, easy on. Hey, 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 where are you going? Whoa, 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 whoa. Every now and then the Bluetooth just sort of cuts out and sort of does its own thing. There we go, she's cut out again. I don't know why it does that. If anybody knows why it does that, drop us a comment in the description, in the comment box. Yeah, it just loses complete control and then it comes back again. So. No, it's just going over there now. We'll let go of everything and see if I can regain control. It could be something to do with the Bluetooth, I'm not sure. You can see it's sort of sitting there. I'm having to fight with it. If I put it on fast again, I do know that it grabs again and I'll have control again. So, oh, what the heck, I don't know. Okay, bye-bye. Woohoo! Do a couple of high-speed passes. Here we go. Mi Wi-Fi extender pass, number 1. Coming down, okay. This is going to be a low flight. How much battery power we've got left. Come back, come back. Oh dear. Oh no. Over we go. Like I said, every now and then it's every now and then it just sort of loses control of the Bluetooth and does its own thing, so I'll try it again. But then it just comes back again and she's all hunky-dory, so not too sure. As I said, my mobile device is pretty old, so that might have something to do with it. She's really windy here now, it's starting to struggle. I could be getting low on batteries, so I'm going to wind it up now. I'm having a little bit of trouble with the Bluetooth T1D controller. so I'm just using the on-screen controller, which is a little bit dicey too. It is a bit windy here, so I think while luck's on my side and I haven't put in the drink yet, I think we'll call it quits. So I hope you've enjoyed this, guys. Yeah, drop us a like, comment, subscribe for more craziness, and hey, see you yeah, up there in the sky. Bye for now.